Alright guys, so we're finally at the stage where we're going to be installing the Bavsound Stage 1 speaker upgrade. All the clips have been safely removed and you have your door panel. Upwards. This is the old one. And in comes the new one. And remove the tweeters up here and bring in the new one. But that is that. This is the rear tweeter. So here we are, we just completed the install of the Bavsound Stage 1 speaker upgrade system. I can't wait to get this thing tested out.